knows your name, but not only that, He is also calling you to do something for Him. Sabihin sa katabi, may mission ka. Si Mary Magdalene ay special sapagkat siya ay tinawag at pinadala ni Jesus sa mga apostoles. Yung mga apostles means sent, correct? Everybody say apostles. Everybody say sent. Now Mary Magdalene is sent to those who were sent. You get that? Mary Magdalene is the one sent to those being sent. And we are being called to be like Mary Magdalene. Si Lord ay may specific na pinapagawa sa iyo. There are specific people who God is asking you to reach out to. Bakit? Because Brother Chris cannot reach out to them. And maybe it's you who can reach out to them. Amen? And that's why we're also doing this. We don't just say, Bo Sanchez, Brother Bo, ikaw na bahala lahat. Cardinal, ikaw na lahat. Hindi. Lahat tayo may mission. Amen? Sabihin sa katabi, may mission ka. Ito kahit anong personality mo, introverted, extroverted, shy, or shiny, nonchalant, or OA, hyper, or how you live your life will influence millions because you impact many generations.